Hi, my name is Maritza. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I was really tired of the struggle. And I'm sharing my journey to as many single moms, dads, stay-at-home moms, parents as humanly possible. Because this is a game changer. I started my journey in digital marketing about 4 months ago. And within 9 days, I had my first sale from somewhere in the world. I got my money back, and since then, I've been in profit. So I am here to give you hope. Earning online is a reality, and it's easy if you follow the step-by-step blueprint. And if I can do it, anyone can do it. And I'm here to teach you and share with you the strategy which I've implemented in my online business. And whether you want to build your current business and make it grow to its fullest extent possible, or whether you want to start a new online business selling digital products like I did, this program is for you. But what exactly is digital marketing, Maritza? Let's compare it to a course at Udemy. A course at Udemy is something that has a beginning and an end. Once you've completed the course, it's done and dusted. Now, I do something similar. I sell a digital marketing program. This program doesn't have a beginning and an end. It's a living program. It's forever updated, evolving with the time, and ever changing. It is updated weekly, if not daily, with online coaching and mentoring, and with a community of nearly 40,000 people worldwide who takes you by the hand and who wants to help you to grow your business to success. It's a living program. I actually want to say that it's a breathing program. This is a lifetime investment. You purchase your program once and it belongs to you forever. You get full resale rights on your program. It's not an MLM. There's no one above you, no one beneath you. This is a MRR. And you get training for life. You also don't have any monthly fees, no additional costs, and no hidden costs. You also don't have to worry about shipping fees, damaged stock, out of stock problems. You literally have the amount that you paid for the program plus your $29 for your website setup and your domain fee, which you will get from GoDaddy, as well as your professional email address, because remember, this is a professional online business. A digital marketer is somebody who posts on social media, that advertises a digital program, an e-learning program, a digital product, or a physical product. You literally cannot open Facebook and not see an advertisement. Whether it's weight loss products, makeup, shoes, craft classes, holiday accommodation. There are people worldwide making a good living from digital marketing and earning online. Forbes announced digital marketing as the second highest paying job. Why? Because everything is moving online. So we just teach you how to do this the right way so that it is monetized. I have a $100, $300, $600, and $900 program, which belongs to me, and I get to sell it worldwide. I created 4 income streams, like 100% profit per sale, and that's the beauty of it. And you can never run out. It's not like a physical product. You run out of stock. This is a digital product, and it's forever out there, working for you online 24/7. Selling it worldwide with a fully automated system. And you advertise on TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, Etsy, Instagram, any social media of your choice. We get daily training and it doesn't require any tech skills, seeing that the company does all the tech for you. There's online interactive training and mentoring, and we get taught by the best. A $1 million digital marketer, Michelle, a mom of 6 who in 2022 was earning breadcrumbs. And you will get to meet her in the webinars and in our training. She gives us daily tips and tricks which we have to implement in our businesses. We have the most amazing community. We are rated #1 in the school app for business worldwide. This program is global, so you are not bound by any footprints. The other beauty of this business is you don't have to put your face on social media. You've got one of two options. You can either show your face or you can do faceless, which is, by the way, huge on Pinterest and Instagram. And we have a full module in our program covering faceless marketing, which allows you to not show your face if you're not comfortable doing that and to stay anonymous. But you can still earn and make a good living from faceless marketing.